Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road. Hey, first time here, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it, drop a comment. Returning subscribers, thank you for your support. You know what to do. Hey, this video we're going to be installing the Bulletpoint Solutions phone or device holder in a 4th Gen Ram 1500 Laramie. This is actually a new product for them. They offered it for the later 4th gens like 2013 and newer. This is 2009 to 2012 4th Gen Rams. So we're going to jump into this. This is a really high quality item, but let me show you what comes in the box and then we'll get to installing it. The installation is easy, pretty quick, and anybody can do it. And they include the necessary tools, minus you may need some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, but everything else is included in the box. So let's take a look at that. So here's your box. Comes pretty well packaged. Got some simple paperwork, just some tips and tricks. Got their contact information if you got a concern. You get a sticker, and you get a little Torx bit driver, a couple additional screws if you need them. You get this pretty cool looking, looks like a bottle opener. That's pretty cool. This little tool here, I think this is a tool for cranking down on the adjustment knobs once you get it installed. So I think that's what that's for. And comes with a little Phillips screwdriver. This is for these additional screws here. You can put some additional self-tapping screws in this if you think that you need them. They do provide them to you. Just says optional screws. So I don't know sure if we need those yet, but we'll see. But definitely I went with the dual kit. And of course, obviously this is your this is the base. This is all metal. This is looks like machine grade aluminum components. Of course, you get these are carbon fiber arms. The ends are metal. Metal hardware for the screws and fasteners. These are all aluminum metal. No cheap plastic. Nice little tension design. Got a little pad here with their logo. But let's get these installed, and we'll definitely check this out and show you how it works. But this is the dual for 2 phone holders. They got a couple other options. They do have a magnetic type option if you don't want the tension squeeze type. And they got a GoPro mount and a couple other things. And these arms are available in different lengths, so you need to check that out. But let's get this thing installed. This is where it mounts. I've already taken this little cosmetic little rubber pad, already taken it out. It just, you can see little nipples on it. It just pops in. I've already taken these 2 screws loose. These are your 2 screws. That actually took those loose with the tool that was provided, the Torx bit. So let's get those out. We're going to clean this surface here for a little bit of the double-sided tape, and then that base will actually mount reusing these screws right here. But we're going to clean this area first, and then we'll get to mounting it. So we got a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a paper towel. Just going to clean that whole area, but this area here is our concern. We'll get that clean. As you can see on the bottom side of this, you got the 3M double-sided tape. But what you'll notice is when you set this up here, you set the little feet down in the OEM slot. Might be hard to see, but this tape really is only going to catch a very small portion of this surface across here. I'm not sure. I mean, these guys know more about it than I do, but I'm sure they tested that. But that tape doesn't look very functional for the most part. There's just not enough surface area there, but we're going to take that tape off. We'll put our OEM screws back in, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I went ahead and took the tape off the bottom. I went ahead and put in the provided screws. You do have to use those. I was mistaken a while ago. The OEM screws that you took out of here will not work. So we're just going to line this up. Drop that in place. Take the little provided screwdriver. Start to snug these up. That's pretty rock solid right there. Just gonna make sure he's just good and snug. Like I said, I don't know how well that tape's gonna work the way they have it, but obviously they've probably designed and tested this a whole lot more than I have, so we'll see. Obviously the arms are real easy to install. It's just a thumb screw type system, and it's just a tension fit. So you're basically just gonna loosen that up until it fits over the ball socket, and then tighten it up to where you want it. And you got to wait 24 hours is the recommendation before you start hanging your devices on this. And that's just for this tape that we've already kind of got in question, but that's just allow that tape to properly adhere to what little bit of it is going to stick to this portion of the dash. So we got our arms on. We'll put our device holder on the end, and then we're going to let this thing sit for 24 hours before we actually put in our phones and start monkeying with this adjustments. Well, we got it installed. Got the arms just temporarily in position. Got the device holder on the ends temporarily in position. We're going to let this sit for 24 hours before we do anything, or I may come out later today, give it about 8 hours and check it out. But this is pretty solid stuff. I think this is going to work really nice. I think my wife's going to appreciate the fact of having something simple to be able to put her phone in. She likes to take care of Facebook Live and Snapchat and that stuff while we're out doing things, so that'll help her with that. But really a great fit, perfect fit for the 4th gen Ram 1500s from 2009 to 2012. But we're going to show you what this looks like with our phones in it, so stick around. Okay, so it's been 20...
It's carpool karaoke! Wow! Oh no, wrong skit. Go ahead, sorry.
That's another video. But...
Okay, sorry, go on.
Okay, so it's been 24 hours, and we're still working on the Bulletpoint mounting solutions. It's been 24 hours, so we now jumped in the truck, and we got our phones in there, and we got the device holders kind of in the position where we like them. So let's take a closer look at them. This is a cool little tool. So
you'll want this.
You'll want that. That's how you lock them down. It is a finger saver.
You
but that's
love
how
the
you
word.
Lock them down.
Lock them. Do y'all know grizzly lockers? Another video. Check it out on our YouTube channel. But anyways.
Yeah. We got our phones in there. We got them adjusted to where we want them. You can pretty much adjust these about anywhere you want. You got a thumb screw here. And of course, you can see the one over here. You got one at the top, one at the bottom. And pretty slick. But this is the Bulletpoint mounting solutions for the 4th gen Rams, 2009 to 2012 interior. It looks really cool. Show them how it operates, girl.
What do you mean to do?
I want you to... Well, show them how it operates. Show them how you can get the phone in and out so quick and easy.
This is pretty cool. So the one that I have in my car, it's not a Bulletpoint, but that's another video. So it's kind of a little more cumbersome. So this one is simple. You grab a hold, you turn, and you pull. Check it out. I mean, literally. And you're done.
Check mine. So take it out, stick it in at a slight angle, shove it over, boom, you're done.
So if y'all notice, he does his differently than I do mine. He has to be masculine when it's not that hard, dude. Literally, twist, pull, push, click, twist, pull. But you push every time. Every time.
Well, it just makes sense to push it over to release it.
Now try it my way. Look how simple.
And then what was your way? Just to do this, roll it out?
Yep.
And
yeah,
then that kind of works.
Punch it in.
I like that though.
Dixieland Delight.
Now YouTube won't copyright strike us, I don't think, if we're singing.
If we're singing, I don't sing.
Sing.
I sing. He's the northern one, folks. Believe that? Mm-hmm.
Not really.
Yeah. Anyways,
I was born in Georgia.
Listen, before we get on to what we were getting on to, let us know. Drop us a comment. What is your favorite carpool karaoke song? I have to know because I love to sing in the car.
Yes, you do.
Hit me up. Let me know.
All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and drop those comments below for your favorite car karaoke machine.
Carpool karaoke.
Carpool karaoke. I don't sing along, so I just I turn it up loud and I just go. All right, y'all.
I do try to put them on blast sometimes, and I get this. I know y'all have seen it. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See
Have
ya.
a great evening.
Bye.